Hope you're all staying healthy and safe. Today, I'll be discussing about an awesome tool that will help expedite data entry, which is called FlashFill. Um, I'm using online version of Excel today, so let's get started. The first column or the first table here has full name on the first column, and then these two columns are empty, so I would like to fill these columns with first name and last name. So what I'll do is go ahead and type in the first name for the first person, which is Ariel, and then if I want to fill these, if I double click on the very right bottom corner, it will fill with all Ariels. So I'll go ahead and undo this, which this data is not what I am looking for. I am looking for all the first names from column A. So I will go to this um, data, and then click on flash fill. Now you can see that all of the first names here on column B is from column A. So basically, Excel is learning the pattern and then extracting the value and putting it into this column. Similarly, for last name, I'll go ahead and type in the first person's last name and then click on flash fill. Here I have the first name and last name filled on the first table. Similarly, if you want to combine the first name and last name and put it um, into this column, you can do Ariel Palmer, and then let me go ahead and expand this column. Now if I click on flash fill, all the values are now filled. You can also check if it's correct. Yep, all of the ones match with first name and last name, so we're good there. Similarly, you can do same thing for initials, A space P, and then flash fill. You will get all the initials. If I undo this and then type in A and P and do the flash fill, if you notice that when I did it earlier, it only it had space in between the initials, but now it doesn't have initials. So basically, it's recognizing the space um, or not having a space and filling the data accordingly. You can do similarly for the numbers. So here I have uh, full date. Now I would like to only extract year. So what I'll do is type in 2015, click on this cell, and then click on flash fill. All of the years are now extracted to this column. Here I have student ID. Um, Here is section and ID. So I would like to separate section and ID. So first three, I'll type in first three numbers and then click on that cell and then click on flash fill. Here I have all of the sections separated, and if you want to do the same thing for ID, I'll go ahead and type in the last three numbers and then click on the cell and then click on flash fill. So all of the IDs are now extracted. So this is how you can expedite your data entry by using FlashFill. Hope this video helps you all. If this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up, and please also consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you all. Y'all have a good day. Bye bye.